Just say a word, then you guys go.
Ni muthenya uria ameba kiama kia mawakiri kia RSK megutanyitwo kwambiriria kugomera kuheana utungata wa magoti-ini matiganite guothe bururi-ini. Itanya inene ari kuonania kwaga kuiganira kumana na uria wihathi wa magoti ukoretwo githarario ni thirikari. No na kuri oguo ritana riri tina kinyanira na andu-ini hake mawakiri ya mauga meguthie na mbere gwikira turebeko twa rangi wa ngoikoni ari ta njira ya kuonania kwaga kuiganira na uria wihathi wa magoti uthiete na mbere na gutharario.
The whole idea about the yellow ribbon campaign thing was just to at least demonstrate our displeasure with the blatant disobedience to court orders by various state agencies. You may recall that in the recent past there are so many orders that have been ignored by those who are supposed to implement.
No na gukire uguo itua ria kwaga kurugamia motungata maya ndigutungitio uregani munene amwe a mawakiri makiuga ikinya riri ni mugaru na kandarathi iria mahetwo ni andu aria marashiririra na no mamathitange.
My first duty is to my client, and I know nobody else but my client. Second duty is to the court because I'm an officer of the court. Law society ona ni ruhonge turugamagia na mbeca citu iria turutaga koguo rutego no ukorwo gitu compare kana gutwira tutigathi goti-ini I control na kwagirire. Again, igia guthi goti-ini client ya hete wira en right ya guthi go complain gwa complaints commission kana tribunal ya disciplinary tribunal. Disciplinary tribunal article section 60 of the Advocates Act in uga wega muno igia ko represent client wako igwe ya grieved kana athie hadhara no njiro ndimucokerie mbeca ciake no ndugamio ku restore ndugamio certificate yako practice no thinyandikirwo marua ma demolition kana kuheo mikana ni disciplinary tribunal.
Na gukiria uguo amwe ao makionekana kuiyukia ritana riu na mugambo umwe makiuga no yo njira ya kugacirithia wiyathi wa igoti.
So long as the court order has been issued, now that they decided to disobey them, the court orders, in fact a number of court orders they decided to disobey, we as members of the bar, we're going to actually demonstrate peacefully. Yeah, because we cannot sit down and watch court orders being ignored. Because if we do that today, yeah, we're setting a very bad precedent.
Ndugamano igie kuhamurithio kwa mutongoria wa NRM Miguna mbere ya kinyitio mbere ya Jaji Ruka Kimaru o ndumwe na kwa guteanirio kwa mukana wa gucokia rĩera-inĩ ceceni imwe cia TV ihinda rĩrĩa rĩathanĩtwo nĩ imwe cia itũmi nene mawakiri guthugunda rĩciria rĩrĩ makiuga rũhonge rwa ũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩ rũragira kiene mawatho ma igoti.
Thing that I don't like that in this country it has not been possible for the courts to be courageous enough to serve the president with a summons to appear before court, because in other jurisdictions it happened. Serve the deputy president, tell him how to appear. Serve the inspector general and tell him how to appear.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu mawakiri othe nĩ makindirĩte rĩtana ya tarĩki 15 mweri-inĩ ũyũ rĩa gũtabania mũrũrũngano. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaũra wa Ndũng'ũ.